Let's take a look here. What's going on? Jeff, I told you the wrong home at first. Remember in my mind how I told you one house, two houses?
Yeah. The one we had to think of this one right here.
Well, no, I told him that by accident. After I left the office, right, I said, oh, I told Jeff the wrong house. I hope he didn't go there and start digging. That'd be funny. Well, it wouldn't be funny. Anyway, so we got this downspout.
Yeah. Sump pump.
Sump pump, air conditioner.
Air conditioner.
Yep.
And this downspout.
Yep.
So this box over here, we are still connected to the downspout.
That box is?
Yeah. That, I think so. We are reconnecting all
Yeah.
this, so
Yeah. But it's wet over here, isn't it?
Yeah. Are we connected now?
Okay.
And make sure we don't see anything now, and we can.
Yeah, because we didn't know where all that water went to, remember?
Yeah, this one is the one we already go right here, and this one continue. I think so. We already go send it that way.
Yeah, you want to take all this water, hook that in.
And hook it up and go there.
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
That'll be perfect. Karina, keeping everybody straight here in this job. How about this? How about this, youngins? You doing good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good.
Are you good?
I'm good. I'm good. It's gonna be hot.
Really hot.
It's gonna be hot. Yeah, I like that check valve system you came up with yesterday. It looked good.
Yeah.
Nice.
And the other
With the boots on it and all,
yeah.
nice and easy. Won't get clogged that way with the 45s. It'll all
Yeah.
flow.
And double cut, and we already cut it 45 in the rocks.
And that creative timbers were tough, huh?
Yeah.
How many bits did you end up using? 3 or 4?
It's a 2 there, and we already used 3 bits.
Did you?
And extender because the bits is only 4 inches, and we already use extender by 12.
A lot of work.
Yeah, it's double, and we already got the guys when we already put the concrete in the sidewalk. We already go digging up 2 feet
Did you?
close to the timbers.
I gotcha.
It's very close to the. That's the one we already go down,
Gotcha.
and we need to go down to in the timbers.
I gotcha. Trying to, with the heat, we're trying to get done by 2:30 today. Get done, go home. Okay? Right, Jersey? Jersey said it's hot already. Not even 9 o'clock. Supposed to go to 95 degrees today. So make sure you guys drink plenty of water, Josh. Make sure you drink plenty of water.
Oh, definitely.
Definitely today. Definitely today. Jersey, what do you see up here as far as utilities? Anything? Anything in there? Nothing?
Bien, aquí está el del internet.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, we don't want to cut that, okay? She got one one cable right here. Yeah. You can tell a yard that's got irrigation on it, don't you?
Yeah.
Makes it a lot easier to dig.
Oh, yeah, ground is really hard ground, but at least we are still humid and still wet.
Yep. Well, we got
No
sprinkler running.
irrigation is really-
Oh, this is that minimum Brandy Wine or Waldorf right now, Jeff, doing drainage with no water, no irrigation going on. This would be tough, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Digging's digging, but boy, it helps a lot that it's got some moisture to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's weird how they cable loop like that, isn't it?
Yes,
Loop.
it's the old one. I think so. It's the old one.
Yeah, I don't
We
know.
don't find it. The only the Verizon, the one we already got there.
Yeah, that's probably an old Comcast there.
But we already got 2. I have one in the orange pipe, and the one we already is connected, and the other one is disconnected.
I gotcha. Okay. Looking good, huh?
Yeah, that's why I make sure we already put the PVC on each of the pipes.
Yeah, be done with it.
Yeah, and then you see the one is in there?
Uh-huh.
I think so. This one we already put the filter. We already cut it, the PVC, and then busted up.
I gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. How you doing down there, Mr. Jeff? Good. Doing? Yeah. I gotta go check up on my helper in the truck.
Uh-huh.
I gotta check up on my helper in the truck. He's in the back seat.
Yeah, so there.
He's riding with me. You never know with him. He likes to get in the front seat too. He'll sit up there. I get in. And he's behind the steering wheel sometimes, honking a horn. Josh, I see you're hanging door hangers.
I did.
I see.
Good.
Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Come down the street and I see door hangers everywhere. That's a good thing. How you making out? Getting there?
Yeah.
She's a hot.
Yeah.
Hot, hot, hot. When you exit this, you're not going to be in the ground, right? You're going to go slope it up, right?
Yeah, we gotta go. Yeah.
So it self-cleans itself.
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure it wasn't going to be in the ground. Huh?
Yeah. It's a little deeper now.
Yeah.
I can dig it up a little more.
Yeah.
But we already
Better have it deep, then that way you can backfill it and
Yeah.
get it right where you want.
Yeah.
I'm with you. Hey Josh, when you finish today, take a broom and make sure that's all cleaned off these vents.
Yes.
At the bottom, the mulch, because that clogs it up. So make sure that's all clean. Yep.
Will do, sir.
Yep, 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 yep. Yep, 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 yep.
Yep.
Looking good, guys. Nice work.
Thank you, sir.
All clean. Look how clean this looks. You can't even tell you guys been here, can you?
Yes. A great job.
Josh, if you can, see if we can get a hose, hand water this in.
All right.
Because you know it'll take a couple days. The sprinkler running,
Will do.
this will get behind. So if you can hand water,
And run it all the way down.
yeah, the hose, that'll really help. Thank you, sir. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.